Hello and welcome to a quick recipe on how you can make the easiest, most delicious mayonnaise at home. It only takes about 5 minutes and you can eat it immediately once it's made, or you can cool it in a fridge for a few hours before doing so. Either way, once made, you can store this in the fridge and it will last for about 2 weeks before you need to make another batch, if it lasts for that long. For this recipe though, you're going to need 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Actually, I like to add a little bit extra to make a tangier mayo. 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a pinch of salt, 240 ml of vegetable oil, a stick blender, and a large sterilised jar. This is one that used to have gherkins in it. Simply add all of the ingredients into the jar. Usually I start with the egg, then the oil, then the vinegar, then the mustard, and lastly the salt. Then insert the stick blender so that it touches the bottom of the jar. Whiz on full speed until the mayonnaise starts to bloom up from underneath the blender head, then slowly lift the blender up, still whizzing to incorporate all of the rest of the mixture. Stop as soon as the mayo is all white and it looks like most of it's been incorporated, then just give it a couple of stirs, either with the blender or a spoon, to incorporate the rest, so that everything is a nice even consistency throughout. And that's it! Easy as, lovely homemade mayonnaise, already in the jar, ready to serve and be eaten. Anywho, thank you for watching this little video all about how to make mayonnaise easily at home. Happy cooking everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!